Hi, my name is Cody. I go to Green Street Academy, and here are 5 things you need to know about city schools.
Number 1. City Schools wants your input on the Code of Conduct. Join a virtual feedback session to share your thoughts on topics including student conduct, cell phone use, dress code, and more. Number 2. Congratulations to the Baltimore City College Knights for winning the Maryland State Boys Basketball Championship. Number 3. For families with students who are receiving special education or related services, the Maryland Special Education Parent Involvement Survey is now open until May 30th. Number 4. Literacy coaches are driving big achievement gains at our schools, and we're highlighting their important work. Learn about our literacy coaches and how they are helping students improve reading and writing skills on the City Schools website. And number 5. The ASCBC's Winter General Assembly was held on March 3rd and featured workshops on various topics like bullying prevention, artificial intelligence, and more. Learn about our student leaders in the recap video on the City Schools website.